Today we're going to show you some sites that you can use to source mass quantities of items right now to sell online across Amazon, eBay, or really any site that you wish to. Hey, Don here. Today we're going to talk about some sites that you can source from right this second that will deliver it to your door. I don't know how many times a week I get asked, where do people buy Amazon returns from and things along that line. We're going to show you some of the best places, not just with Amazon, but in general on how to get some items. Now we're going to show you some sites to get vintage items also at the end of this, so it doesn't really matter. And these are all off of eBay, sites that you can buy mass quantities of stuff in big bulk lots, have it shipped straight to you without having to worry about it. Let's hop over there right now and show you some of these. Now, I've bought pallets before, and this is the one site that I have dealt with directly and actually ordered pallets from. This is Bulkcom, B-U-L-Q.com. Now, this one you'll see videos all over YouTube talking about their experience with them. I've had a good experience, so I can't complain. But I looked through every listing I could to think about what would be the best items, and I researched everything with Bulk.com, and let's just pick one out here. Let's open one up, and they've got hundreds and hundreds, well, 1,400 plus, and sometimes there's mass quantities of each one. Now, these are returns, discontinued, and all sorts of things like that, so just keep an eye on it. It's going to give you the retail as well as their cost shipped. This is shipped $400, it retails at $901. It depends on what it is. You're going to have to look down here. It has a copy of the manifest. Now, you can download a copy of it as well, and you can cut and paste and go through and track down what's worth what in here, what you can sell it for before you even sink a dime into it. So it depends on what it is. There are some huge pallets on here. You can sort them down by category. Now, some people love the electronics, some like toys. It's all a mix. You never know what's going to be in it unless you look at the manifest. You have to look at the manifest. Now, most of these sites will give you a list of the items. This one's much better than some because it literally tells you the UPCs so you can track them all down and search for it too. Most cases, it's going to give you all the information that you could need. Let's just pick something interesting here. These all seem to be cell phone accessories today. Sometimes you'll run into video games and all kinds of things. Let's just pick one of these, and I'll show you some of the more expensive lots here. Now, you can watch it. It includes shipping and the whole works on this. You got a bottom line figure on here. It has even Amazon numbers, so you can know if you can sell it immediately. Now, it's post-it pads, really not something worth it in some aspects of it. You can see all of the products on here before you do anything. Now, I'll give you a little hint. We have a hazardous certification from Amazon. And with that, that is probably the best area that we found to make money from bulk, was buying things that would require that certification to sell those items on Amazon. Giving you a hint there. You got to make sure of expiration dates and all that sort of thing when you're doing this sort of thing. But it can work as long as you're diligent and you track down the prices on all these. Again, sometimes it's mass quantity, sometimes it's a small amount of the same item. Sometimes you can order and have a pallet and it's all the same thing. 1,000 units of something that will sell. And that's what we've done in the past. It was something that we were worried at first, but once we listed it, it just sold off the chain. We sold a whole pallet in a very short time, made a ton of money. One of the best investments we've done back in the day when we first started into this. But that's Bulk.com. Now, I know people who have used some of these sites, but I personally haven't, so I can't recommend them specifically. Now, this is Liquidationscom. Now, these people, just like anybody else, buys directly from Amazon, and they can turn around and then sell it like this. Now, you can apply to even buy some of this straight from Amazon if you're big enough, just to let you know. But same principle here. These are auctions on some of these cases. They usually list everything in it. They'll tell you the pallet. They'll tell you the shipping. Everything's in here. Again, directliquidation.com. Now, here's another one. This is fashionbulk.com, and it's mostly more name brand clothing with tags on it for the most part. Most everything I've seen, or any of the lots I've seen, or people have shown me pictures of from here, have had tags on them, and they were able to still sell the items. You just got to be careful. Now, one thing to consider is some of these items you may not be able to sell. You better check them out before you buy the items. So you can see the UPC, so you can go in and check those on Amazon to see before you buy them if you have permission to sell them. Just use your phone and type in the number or whatever you'd like to do. You can do it from online, from your laptop as well. But again, fashionbulk.com, another one. Nordstrom is one of their brands, Macy's. There's many other ones that they carry. All kinds of different things. They've got big package lots, so many pieces of clothing for set price. This is the way to get bulk. You can get hundreds of items without having to source. If you hunt around and do a bunch of these sites, you can probably do better than going to thrift stores to buy clothing, and you can buy it NOS as long as it's something that you can sell. These do work. These are places to source. Many people do this. Again, you can go right on YouTube and find videos on some of these. Not all these sites you will find videos, but bulk for sure. Now here's another one, department store liquidations. This one can sell you a truckload. They've got an Amazon page. You can buy a whole semi all at once. And just like any of the other sites, you got to be very careful and check everything out before you do anything with it. So again, this is departmentstoreliquidations.com. Now here's another one. This is liquidations.com. Again, these are all legitimate sites. They all have the same basic principles. I would stick to one of the more well-known ones with bulk or something like that. But again, most of these will work for you as well. Hunt and peck, know what you're doing before. Research all of the prices on the items to know that you will be able to flip them. Again, these are just standard returns from Amazon. Occasionally, you'll get some lots that you can buy that are unknown lots. They'll just throw some stuff in a box and you won't know other than a category too. So you got to be careful. Always look at the manifest, whatever you are doing if there is one. Now, Blue Lots is a decent one. This one's well known. Many people do use this one. All kinds of different things here. A power supply for RCA TVs. It has 108 units. They sell for $4,300, and it's only up to $300 now. This is a specialized part. Now, some of these items like this, you may only need to sell 3 or 4 of an item to get all of your money back, depending on retail value of it. It depends on the industry. Now, if you're in electronics and you repair stuff, this is a perfect example of where you can make a ton of money, as long as it's a TV that you're going to be able to repair, or something, you know, that's still usable, that's going to be brought into a shop or something. Here's Samsung Galaxy S7, S6 headset earbuds, and it's 300 of them, $15,000 retail, $324. Take a look at some of these sites. They all are legit sites. This one especially, and bulk, as I said, are probably the top 2 that I would recommend for this sort of thing. We do wholesale. I've said that before. I've said it many times. Whether you can send it into Amazon or not, you can still eBay most all of the same stuff. Many of these items you may not be able to sell on Amazon, and you will have to sell them on eBay anyway. So good start either way you go. Now, there's one more that deals directly with Amazon as well that I've talked to people who have used. This is Bstock. This is one of the world's largest companies. They buy merchandise from all of these companies, liquidations, markdowns, discontinued. This is what big companies do when they don't want to have to mess with it. You can even find used merchandise in here, say from GameStop and things like that. Games and the whole works. This has everything you could imagine from these sites as well. Again, this is Bstock, BSTOCK.com, Bstock. And let's just open up. Here's their Amazon liquidation auctions. They'll announce when the stuff comes on. This is coming from Amazon, technically, liquidation auction services. So you will find that sort of thing here. You can apply to be a bidder in here with Bstock as well if you would like, and you can bid just like anybody else to buy merchandise straight when it comes up onto their platform. This is a very good one. This is probably the #1 rated one corporate nationwide. Again, I'm a bulk person. I have bought from there before and done it very well, so I would stick with bulk if it was me. Now, if you want to look for antiques and vintage collectibles, this is liveauctioneers.com. Now, you're going to have to be diligent when you look in here. The best take on this is the big bulk purchases. A bunch of stuff, a big lot is where I always do the best from this site. Not everybody knows what they're doing. Not everybody's selling the top best of the line item on this site. You're going to see some higher price stuff. You're going to see some lower price stuff. Graded comics, obviously, right up there. Graded coins as well. Unslabbed. There's trains. Again, you need to be very careful anywhere you go like this to make sure you know what you're bidding on. But as long as you're diligent, you can flip these. Figure out what you can spend on something, see what they go for, and then adjust your bidding by there. Again, I do better with the big bulk lots of stuff on here. The one-offs I don't usually do very well on. It's really hard to get some deals on this site. But again, there are enough of these out here, enough things to sell. Even spending $400 on something, you can still flip it. Again, you have to have the money to do that, but there's tons of stuff on this platform. All kinds of different companies sell on here as well. Many do blow out some items on here. A lot of them you will see are higher dollar, as I said, but again, there's plenty of stuff on this platform. Now let's hop over to one other area, and this is auctionzip.com, and they have local live auctions that you can be part of. They've got online auctions as well. So if you want to find something, most of them here at the bottom will have information on auctions as they go on. Most auction houses now are offering these online, especially with the pandemic. So excellent idea here. You can look at pictures, you can look at the whole works, you can compare prices if you're going to buy these for resale, obviously. So, and there's tons of auctions going on all the time. You can find your local ones here as well. Most of the ones around in my area have gone online, all totally, and they will ship you the items as well. They do offer some pickup forms at some locations, but most of those are banned because of the stay-at-home order. So the bottom line is, if you look around, there's still a lot of opportunities to source big amounts, large amounts of bulk merchandise shipped, dropped off at your garage, your warehouse, wherever you are at. But that's what I have for you today. Well, there you are. Hopefully that gave you some ideas and some thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button down below. You can also hit the bell icon to be notified if I post new content or go live. Subscribe and tell all your friends.
Some women lunch at the plaza, ski in San Moritz, and buy expensive furs every year. Some women just look that way, but they have one thing in common: the Ritz thrift shop. Some sell us their furs, others buy them. We've been handling the finest second-hand used furs for over 50 years, and some of the world's loveliest furs are here at a fraction of the original cost. See them at the Ritz thrift shop at 107 West 57th Street. You don't need $1 million to look like $1 million.
Oh, thank you.